In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and download your ChatGPT invoices. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Invoices are essential for many reasons, whether it's for bookkeeping, business records, expense reports, or simply keeping your payment history organized. So let's dive right into it and make this as simple as possible. First things first, grab your device and open up your preferred web browser. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the OpenAI platform settings page. If you're not sure where that is, a quick search for OpenAI platform settings should do the trick. Alternatively, if you already know the route, feel free to head directly to the OpenAI platform. Once you've landed on the platform, you should look for the section labeled Organization Settings. This is crucial because it's where all of your billing and account management options are securely stored. It's important to note that invoices are associated with the organization or workspace linked to your account, so make sure you click on the OpenAI Organization Settings link. If you're managing more than one organization, now is the time to confirm you've selected the correct workspace. It would be a bit of a hassle to download invoices from the wrong organization, right? So take a brief moment to double-check that. Next, find the button that says Go to Billing. Clicking this will guide you to the billing area, where you'll be able to view payment details, subscriptions, and all those important invoice records. Once you're in the billing section, look for something that says Billing History. This is the area you'll want to focus on, as it contains all your past invoices, allowing you to review charges and download receipts whenever you need. After you click on Billing History, a list of your previous billing entries will appear. This is the moment of truth. From this list, you can select any invoice or receipt you wish to view. Depending on how your account is set up, you might find that you can open the invoice in a new window or download it directly as a PDF. Either way, this is great because it means that you can save it for tax purposes or keep it for your company records. If you're not seeing what you expected, don't worry just yet. It's common to occasionally overlook simple details. Make sure you double-check that you're in the correct organization and that you're logged into the account that was used for billing. In many instances, missing invoices are the result of users viewing the wrong workspace or using a different login than the one linked to their purchases. So confirm those details to ensure you're looking in the right spot. And there you have it. Just a few clicks, and you can easily view and download your ChatGPT invoices right from the OpenAI billing area. It's really that simple, once you know where to go. Plus, now you'll have access to your invoice history whenever you need it, streamlining your record-keeping process. If this tutorial was helpful for you, please remember to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials. And if there's something specific you'd like to learn, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm always interested in what you all want to see next, especially when it comes to OpenAI and ChatGPT walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.